Hello, welcome to my Sunday Front. Today we have a haul, so we'll get all this open and see what's in my mailbox. The first thing I want to open is this little box. Have no idea what's inside. And there are all these little oranges, mandarin oranges. So I got a pack of 4 oranges, and I'll just put this to the side. We won't make a mess because the pack kind of opened up during shipping. And open these two next. So the first one, I want to be careful not to. So the first one are leg warmers. I wanted to try these leg warmers because sometimes when I'm like doing stuff, like I get cold and I want to make sure that everything's on point. So I bought leg warmers. These are also like costume leg warmers, so you could use them for a costume. I guess like Barbie or something like that. Exercise leg warmers. But they're cute. Look at that. They're pretty thick. They're knit. So like I like that. I like that they're warm. They're definitely warm. They're definitely quality. And they'll definitely fit right. I like these. Sounds like household. I don't think this one's. Yeah, this one's just medicine. Oh, a brush for makeup. So I got a brush for makeup. And this is cute. See, is that a sticker? So it has a sticker on it, but it's like it's a brush just specifically for concealer and the under eye, I think. So here's what that looks like. As you can see, it has like a flat tip, and it's just to put concealer on under your eye. So I bought this because I just want to be more gentle with my skin, and I don't want to just like apply things, you know, just splat it on with my finger, or you know, just, you know, put it on carelessly. I want to make sure that I buy brushes, you know, for every job, you know, that it does, because it's more precise. And for me, makeup, you know, like every area is kind of small, so each section is kind of like important for me to apply it proper. And in order to do that, I like to use brushes as often as possible. Let's see. This one sounds like groceries. Ooh, it's groceries. My cookies. And my drinks. That's all that's in there. Okay. This big box. Here's a blanket I ordered. This is a comforter. It's a king size. And it's just, I think it's a duvet insert. So I won't open it, but I got a king size one this time. It's similar to the other one I bought. And I think I bought 3 so far. So I keep buying them because they come in handy when I need an extra blanket. And this king size was on sale for under 20. So I went and snatched it right away. Especially with the weather. The weather's got snow in the forecast, so I just wanted to make sure that I was prepared. But thanks for watching. I hope you like my what's in my mailbox haul video, and see you guys again soon on my Son de Fromp.